Just waiting for a bacon and egg muffin. Look at that. That is a work of art, brothers and sisters.
Oh, chef, yes.
Right, brothers and sisters, I know you love your breakfast sandwiches, so I'm going to do a bacon egg muffin, but it's going to have a Sriracha Hollandaise, and I'm going to do something cheeky with the bacon with this bullseye sauce. Follow me. Sriracha Hollandaise starts with a basic Hollandaise, and for that you need a bain-marie. So you've got your pan with some gently tickling water, hot water. Put your bowl on, and to that you want to add 2 egg yolks and a tablespoon of white wine vinegar. And then we're just going to incorporate those ingredients. Remember, this is now on a heat source, so it's cooking. If you don't keep it moving, you're going to scramble those egg yolks. So just make sure that you're incorporating it. And now it's time to add some clarified butter, 150 grams that I've melted down, and I'm going to gradually start adding it in. Now, if that feels like too much to think about, pouring this in and whisking with this, then take it to the next level. Just makes life easier. You can do it with a stick blender as well. Let's do it. Now, when you get that feathering action where it's leaving marks, now we need to add a little bit of sriracha. You need to be quick here because it's still on the heat, and you need to get about 1.5 tablespoons of sriracha in. Thoroughly mix that in. Let's whack that to the side and crack on with the bacon. Now I'm going to cook the bacon, but I want to take it up a notch. And so I'm going to use the bullseye bold and spicy Texas sauce, and I'm just going to put it on and then put it on to the griddle. And that sweet smoky taste will permeate into the bacon. Be delish. See, what the bullseye sauce has done to the bacon is it's added a sort of bold, sweet spiciness, and it's helped caramelise it. It's just taken the bacon to the next level. Delish. Now I'm going to fry some eggs. So I'm using 2 rings. I'm dropping those down, a little bit of vegetable oil, and then we're going to add the eggs in there and cook them nice and perfect. Okay, now it's time to build this baby. So start with just a little bit of hollandaise. You're just going to put that onto your toasted breakfast muffin. Now, layer up with the bacon. Get that guy on there. Now we're going to put the cheese slice on there. And so to get it going so it all works, we're just going to get a cheese slice and whack it onto the griddle. And we're just going to get that melting, so then when we drop it onto the bacon, it just collapses through it. Now drop your egg on top of your cheese. This is going to be so good. Now Sriracha Hollandaise, just nappe it all over the top. Oh. And then we're just going to finish it off with a little bit of chives. Just take a few of those, cut through a bunch of these chives, and then just garnish those onto the top. Lid on, and that, my brothers and sisters, is your bacon and egg muffin. Look at that. That is a work of art, brothers and sisters. Imagine that. What do you think it's worth? I reckon that's got to be worth £4.50, £5. Let's say £5. Now, normally I would take to the street, but this is too good for the street. This is real chef food, my brothers and sisters.
Oh, chef, yes.
Right, crack on, chef.
Right.
In you go. In you go. Right, Jackie, baby. Tell them, what do you think?
Saucy, fruity, spicy.
No, about that, not me.
Oh.
And the bullseye sauce just works really well, doesn't it?
You need that. Just lifts it up again.
Totally.
The next level.
Oh. What do you think it's worth?
It's a good question. I reckon I'll be able to pay 4, 50, 70, 80.
There you go. There you go. That's more like it. Oh, mate. Right, brothers and sisters.
It's good.
It's good, isn't it?
It's so good.
You've got to try this. Increase the peace, spread the love. and I'm going to show you the most amazing crispy pork belly Tex-Mex.
Loved every single piece of it.
It's going to be insane.
Best taco I've ever had.